Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use V2Ray with Fastly CDN. So, let's start our work. We need to set up XHTTP in V2Ray server side. We are using 3x UI panel for this. Click on Inbounds. Click on Add Inbound. For port, you must put 80. For transmission, choose XHTTP. If you want, you can change path. These are enough for configuration. Now click on Create. Now you need to open port 80 in your VPS from firewall for incoming outside traffic. We need to create a Fastly CDN server. So, log in to your Fastly account. Click on CDN. Click on Create Service. We need to add domain here. Don't worry. Fastly give us default one. You can give any name, but it must be subdomain of global.ssl.fastly.net. For origin, you must type your V2Ray server's public IP address. For origin, you must type your V2Ray server's public IP address. You must disable these settings. Click on Activate. Go to Edit Configuration and click on Clone version 1 to edit. Click on Origins. Click on Edit. Choose Don't Enable TLS option. Click on Update. Click on Settings. Go to Cache Settings. Click on Create your first cache setting. Give any name. Choose Pass as Action. Click on Create. Scroll up. Click on Activate. Click on Domains. Copy this domain. Now we need to configure V2Ray client side. For it, we can do it easily. Click on Menu. Click on Export All URLs. Click on Copy. Go to your V2Ray client side. Use Import Config from Clipboard option. Now click on Edit. You need to type your special SNI hostname as address. You need to type hostname we previously copied as XHTTP host. Now you can use VPN.